So we got this one in this morning for a paint correction and a full interior detail. This is a paint correction and a full interior, right?
Yeah, like just like a regular interior clean,
Uh-huh.
like wipe down.
Excellency.
We start off each paint correction with a very thorough clay wash. Decontaminate the paint and get it prepared for the cutting process. Sometimes it may be necessary to do this a couple of times in extreme cases where the paint is kind of rough, but it helps us during the next cutting step, and sometimes it can even eliminate some of the cutting process, saving us time and getting better results.
And just got my car finished for the day. I had a bunch of scratches on the outside. The inside was not in great shape. It looks brand new. I mean, amazing work. I can't see any of the scratches that were there. As you can see, it's shining, it's happy, and I'm really happy as well. Excellency Auto Beauty.
Excellency. Auto Beauty.